Winter.
Winter.
Winter is my favorite season of the year.
Winter is my favorite season of the year.
Snow.
Snow.
Fresh snow makes the trees look beautiful.
Fresh snow makes the trees look beautiful.
Ice.
Ice.
The pond is frozen with ice.
The pond is frozen with ice.
Frost.
Frost.
There is frost on the windows this morning.
There is frost on the windows this morning.
Sleet.
Sleet.
Sleet makes the roads slippery.
Sleet makes the roads slippery.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
A blizzard is coming tonight.
A blizzard is coming tonight.
Snowflake.
Snowflake.
A snowflake landed on my glove.
A snowflake landed on my glove.
Wind.
Wind.
The wind makes it feel colder.
The wind makes it feel colder.
Scarf.
Scarf.
I wear a scarf to keep warm.
I wear a scarf to keep warm.
Earmuffs.
Earmuffs.
My earmuffs protect my ears from the cold.
My earmuffs protect my ears from the cold.
Icicle.
Icicle.
Icicles hang from the roof.
Icicles hang from the roof.
Sled.
Sled.
The children ride a sled down the hill.
The children ride a sled down the hill.
Gloves.
Gloves.
Gloves protect my hands from the cold.
Gloves protect my hands from the cold.
Winter coat.
Winter coat.
My winter coat is very warm.
My winter coat is very warm.
Skates.
Skates.
I put on my skates to go ice skating.
I put on my skates to go ice skating.
Ice rink.
Ice rink.
The ice rink is open for skating.
The ice rink is open for skating.
Sweater.
Sweater.
I love wearing a sweater in winter.
I love wearing a sweater in winter.
Boots.
Boots.
Winter boots keep my feet dry.
Winter boots keep my feet dry.
Snowman.
Snowman.
We built a snowman in the yard.
We built a snowman in the yard.
Chill.
Chill.
There is a chill in the air today.
There is a chill in the air today.
Socks.
Socks.
Thick socks keep my feet warm.
Thick socks keep my feet warm.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
I baked gingerbread cookies for Christmas.
I baked gingerbread cookies for Christmas.
Mittens.
Mittens.
Mittens are perfect for building a snowman.
Mittens are perfect for building a snowman.
Snowfall.
Snowfall.
Last night's snowfall covered everything in white.
Last night's snowfall covered everything in white.
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
We sit by the fireplace to stay warm.
We sit by the fireplace to stay warm.
Firewood.
Firewood.
He chopped firewood behind the cabin.
He chopped firewood behind the cabin.
Hat.
Hat.
I wear a hat in winter.
I wear a hat in winter.
Skis.
Skis.
I put my skis on before going down the hill.
I put my skis on before going down the hill.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
I drink hot chocolate after playing outside.
I drink hot chocolate after playing outside.
Snow angel.
Snow angel.
I made a snow angel in the yard.
I made a snow angel in the yard.